Hello, and once again, welcome to Pink Spiders, and yep, it's me, Matt, and we have another guest today who apparently likes tuna. Yes, I do! Oh dear God, that cat's scary. What? Don't underestimate my powers. Oh God, I laugh like a girl. Yes, I do. Okay, anyways, Mr. Cat. Wait, are you a girl or a boy? Oh, anyways, doesn't matter. Mr. and Mrs. Cat. We have a question from the audience from a, probably one of your enemies, I guess, if you want to call it that. Hey, why do you eat tuna? Because I like it. Well, you can suck at talk shows. I come get you! Wow, okay, I'm leaving. This show's a rip-off. Rip-off! Okay, Mr. Shark, anything? On my face, fool. Good night, Colorado.